Hello, everyone. My name is Andy. Today is Sunday, May 21. Time is around 2 p.m. GMT. And we will have a look at the higher time frame of the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So, Sunday markets are closed, but we will have a look at the higher time frame to prepare for a new trading week. So last week I told you that I am expecting a pullback in the DAX futures. I'm still expecting the pullback. I also told you that there was a possibility that the high was already in here, and I said it was a possibility, but it is actually unlikely. I was expecting more upside, and this is what also happened. We even made a new all-time high. I gave you last week in my daily videos this zone here to go long. This wave 2 pullback to go long, and with this zone as a target, and it actually turned out quite well. It followed my Elliott wave count. So we will further analyze the lower time frame tomorrow. But for now, let's have a look at the higher time frame. What can we expect the next days and weeks? So let's zoom out to the weekly time frame. So my take on the DAX futures is that we made a first impulse up a wave one from the March 2020 lows to the November 21 highs. So this is 5 waves up: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First impulse. Then we came down in a wave two. We reached this is a corrective structure down. As you can see, this is not impulsive, and we reached the minimum the minimum requirement for wave two, which is the 0.5 fib retracement level. Here we hit this box of a zone 2, and so now we are going up again. So potentially as a wave 3 here, but now it looks like we will soon have a pullback as a wave 2 to correct this impulse up. So this is my Elliott wave count on the daily time frame. As you can see, we already have 5 swings up, and we still have our divergence in the daily. So this is a typical impulse pattern, 5 waves up, and you end your wave 5 with divergence. So for the moment, I will stick to this count, and so I'm also expecting the pullback. So then the pullback will happen in a wave 2, and yeah, maybe it's too early because we could see a bit more upside this week, but assume that our high is in, then the target area for our wave 2 becomes the area between the 0.5 fib retracement and the 0.854 fib retracement. So then we should go somewhere in this area to finish a wave 2, and from there we can move up again in a wave 3. Now, what to expect this week? So we made a new all-time high. Yeah, the question is, how much higher will we go? Like, as long as I see divergence here, I believe the pullback will be there soon. Of course, if divergence is erased, so if we take out this and this RSI, then we have different story. But for now, with the data we have, I don't see any reason to adjust my Elliott wave count. I think the thing to look at next week is this area. What will happen? What will happen here? So this will typically be an area where we should react to the downside. So this is the equal leg area from this wave 1 and this wave 2. So normally we should have reaction to the downside here. And maybe when we reach this level in price, we might also reach this downward RSI trend line. And yeah, if this coincides, if we reach this level here in price and we reach this level in RSI, so we reach this trend line, then we will definitely have a reaction to the, then I'm expecting a reaction to the downside. So this might be the end of or wave 1 up somewhere here. But I have to mention, I want to see a bit more data, because here on the on the 4 hours, this worries me a bit. Like, it looks like we didn't erase the RSI yet, but it might soon happen. And if we take out this RSI, then we might see more upside than I expected, because if we take out this RSI, this cannot be your final wave 5. Your wave 5 has to end with divergence. And so then our count can become something like this, actually. So that we just did so far or 1 and or 2, and that we are now moving up in a tree, that we then have a wave 4 pullback, and then still a wave 5. So that we actually penetrate this this box way deeper. But yeah, as I said, it's too early. I just mention it so you can so you are aware of this scenario. But we need more data. We have to see here what will happen, but it might be that I need to change the count on the 4 hours, and then in that case we could see more upside deeper in this target box. But it's too early to make this conclusion. It's just a scenario that can play out. So tomorrow we continue with analysis on the lower time frame. We will have a bit more data tomorrow morning. So we will have to see if this wave 3 is finished here or not, if the wave 5 is finished. But this is something we will analyze tomorrow morning. So this is my take on the higher time frame of the DAX futures. I think the lesson is, if you are an investor, I would wait to buy for this pullback. I would not buy now. And as a trader, the higher time frame is less important. We will have a look at the lower time frame tomorrow. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you back tomorrow for an analysis of the lower time frame. Bye bye. Enjoy your day.